How to stop Teams from changing to away status automatically. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Teams app. Here we go. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner you can find your profile icon. Click on it. Now from here you can easily change your status. Click on this option of away. Different options will appear. Now you have to go ahead and click on the option of reset status. It will be changed to available. Then you can click on available. Now from here you can select any of the options that you want to set for your Teams account. I'm going to set it to be right back. And with that your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily stop Teams from changing to away status automatically on your Teams app. Well, that's all for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.